Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into FTL. My name is Spencer and today I've got something really crazy to show you that we've never had in before and it's ultra rare. It is a brand new Panasonic Hi-Fi standalone VCR. The model number of it is PV-V4522. This thing is still unopened, still haven't opened it up, but we're gonna break it open and take a look at what's inside. And before we do it, let's take a look at all the features that this has. We've got trilingual. We can set it to English, French, or Spanish. Then we've got a front AV input for recording, and then a nice big clock display on the front panel. And this features Omnivision. And of course it does have a remote control. So right here you can see it's still sealed with the staples. So we're gonna break it open right there and then we're gonna see what we're working with. Alright, and then when we open it up, we've got the manual right there, and it's still all in the factory plastic, of course. We've got the original batteries right there. And then it also does come up with a coax cable. And if you need to register it and get your warranty all set up with a Panasonic, you can do that, but I don't think you should. I don't think it's gonna work. It's probably expired. And then we can go ahead and slide this out. Alright, so you can see not a single scratch on the entire thing, which is crazy. This was manufactured probably 20 years ago, so it's been sitting in there all this time. The manufacture date is actually 5/30/2002, and it was made in Indonesia. It says it right there on the label. And you've got your hi-fi input and output. So let's go ahead and get it connected to the TV just to make sure it works, since it has been sitting in that box for so long. All you need to do to connect it is plug in the power cord and then the audio video cable. Make sure that the video cable goes into the output and not the input. As you can see, it is displaying on the TV right there. So we'll get that out of the way. Then we'll throw a VHS in there. This is the original remote. We'll leave it in the package because that should be fine. We don't need to check that out. Plus we want to keep it as clean as possible. And then you can see the picture quality right there. That was pretty much all the basics of this brand new Panasonic VCR. These things are ultra rare. It's getting hard enough to just find them working and used in the first place, but we've got a brand new one here in the box. It's been opened so we can check it out for you to make sure it's good. But if you're looking to order one of these, you can get it from us at forlow.net, and you can order online or you can give us a call. Thanks for watching.